Are you ready to embrace the freelancing lifestyle? Picture yourself working from home, enjoying your coffee while your cat relaxes nearby. Let's explore 7 freelancing gigs set to soar in 2025. 1. Generative AI Modeling Specialist. With AI technology advancing rapidly, becoming a generative AI modeling specialist is like finding a golden ticket. Companies are in dire need of experts to develop innovative AI models and tools. You could be the mastermind behind groundbreaking projects. 2. Machine Learning Specialist. Machine learning is hotter than ever. If you're skilled in algorithms and enjoy data analysis, this role is for you. From tech startups to large corporations, there's a high demand for talent in this field. 3. Data Analytics Specialist. Businesses need to make sense of their data, and as a data analytics specialist, you'll turn raw data into valuable insights. In today's digital landscape, insights are incredibly valuable, like gold. 4. Blockchain Developer. Blockchain technology is not just for cryptocurrencies anymore. Companies are leveraging blockchain for its security and transparency. As a freelancer, you can help develop and manage blockchain projects, an opportunity that pays well. 5. E-commerce Consultant. With online shopping continuing to thrive, e-commerce consulting is a booming field. As an e-commerce consultant, you'll assist businesses in setting up their online stores and optimizing sales strategies. 6. Digital Marketing Specialist. As businesses shift to digital platforms, the demand for digital marketing specialists is skyrocketing. Help companies with social media, email campaigns, and more. If you're creative and strategic, this gig is calling your name. 7. Cybersecurity Specialist. With the increase in online operations, the need for cybersecurity professionals is at an all-time high. As a cybersecurity specialist, you'll be the guardian of digital assets, protecting businesses from potential threats. Conclusion. These 7 freelancing gigs are primed to explode in 2025. Whether you're just starting or a seasoned pro, there's something for everyone. Get ahead of the trends and position yourself for freelancing success. Remember, while competition is fierce, there are always opportunities to stand out. Now seize your future. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to never miss an update.